Raja Ram Mohan Rai was born in Bengal to a prosperous family. As a young adult, he traveled widely outside Bengal and mastered several languages: Sanskrit, Persian, Arabic, and English, in addition to his native languages Bengali and Hindi. In 1803, he composed a tract denouncing what he regarded as Bharat superstition and its religious divisions, both within Hinduism and between Hinduism and other religions. As a remedy for those ills, he advocated a monotheistic Hinduism. He sought a philosophical basis for his religious beliefs in the Vedas, the sacred scriptures of Hinduism, and the Upanishads, speculative philosophical texts, translating those ancient Sanskrit treatises into Bengali, Hindi, and English, and writing summaries and treatises on them. In 1815, Roy founded the short-lived Atmiya Sabha Friendly Society to propagate his doctrines of monotheistic Hinduism. He became interested in Christianity and learned Hebrew and Greek in order to read the Old Testament and the New Testaments as well. In 1823, when the British imposed censorship upon the Calcutta press, Roy, as founder and editor of two of Bharat's earliest weekly newspapers, organized a protest arguing in favor of freedom of speech and religion as natural rights. That protest marked a turning point in Roy's life, away from preoccupation with religious polemic and toward social and political action. In his newspapers, treatises, and books, Roy tirelessly criticized what he saw as the idolatry and superstition of traditional Hinduism. He denounced the caste system and attacked the custom of sati. It's a ritual burning of widows upon the funeral pyres of the deceased husbands. His writings emboldened the British East India Governing Council to act decisively on the matter, leading to the prohibition of sati in 1829. In 1822, Roy founded the Anglo-Hindu School and 4 years later the Vedanta College in order to teach his Hindu monotheistic doctrines. In August 1828, Roy formed the Brahma Samaj, or the Society of Brahma, a Hindu reformist sect that utilized Unitarian and other liberal Christian elements in its beliefs. The Brahmo Samaj was to play an important part later in the century as the Hindu movement of reform.